Hollywood Studios Day. We are in line for the gondolas. We have already come from Pop Century to Caribbean Beach. It is 7:50 in the morning. We got to Pop Century right before 7:20. They started moving at 7:40. Took us just a few minutes to get over here after we got on. They did put us with another family, which was the first time we've done that in a long time, but we are moving and getting on to Hollywood Studios next. Okay, now we're on our way to Hollywood Studios. Can't see anything.
Does everybody realize that you got boarding group 18? Have we made that announcement yet?
No.
Announcements? Ladies, gentlemen, and islanders of all ages, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner and Disney Caribbean Beach Resort. We'll be
I don't know if you can see this, but all the cars are behind the gate still. And there's no one in the parking lot. Skyliner for the win. We made it. There's an official rope drop again. Heading into Rock and Roller Coaster. Are our names up here? Todd, Connie.
Mothers shouldn't ride, and all passengers must meet the minimum height requirement.
On to the Tower of Terror. It is 5 minutes before the park opens, and we're here already. I love this ride. See if we can find our picture. There we are. There we are. Okay, the Millennium Falcon is 40. It's what? 40. 40? Yeah. 40. Slinky Dog Dash is 42.
Oh, I was like, they're on boarding group 40. We missed it.
Let's see. Hello.
Masks off.
Joffrey's Coffee.
They are now boarding groups 1 to 14.
Oh, wow.
So, do we want to go stand in line for Millennium Falcon?
How long is it?
40?
Yeah.
And then just get on to
Rise of Resistance
Rise of
afterwards.
Resistance.
Well, we got that early boarding group. That helps.
We had a change of plans. We're doing Star Tours. But we got split up.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
No rebel spies here, but we did accomplish our mission. Our boarding group is boarding, so we're gonna head over there for Rise of the Resistance. We made it! Boarding group 18. I mean, like, in reality I knew that number existed, but didn't know it was possible. 18. Are you scared?
Never.
Are you nervous?
Definitely not. This is my home.
Are you scared, sir?
Yes.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
We'll take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Amazing. We decided we need a break, so we got big cups of water at Ronto Roasters and the Ronto Roasters breakfast wrap. It has egg, cheese, pita, and this lovely little sausage. So it's time for a snack. Breakfast Ronto wrap was pretty tasty. What'd you think?
I had one bite.
It was good. It needed like some more sauce or salsa or something. It has like a peppercorn ranch on it. I could have used more of that, but it was still good. Yeah, a peppercorn something. So it is now 10:30 almost. The lines are getting long, so we're gonna go skip out of Galaxy's Edge and do Muppet Vision. It's only a like 10-minute wait or something like that, so we're gonna go do that real quick and then see what the rest of the day holds. We'll see. Wait 10. We can do that. Squeezed in a a frozen show before lunch.
Welcome to this very special day.
Oh, I bet they all know the words.
Probably. Hey, where should we start?
Where else? Let it go, let it go. No, 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 no.
That is the big one. We gotta rev up for that one.
Okay, what were you thinking?
Where every good story starts at the beginning.
Of course.
We're back.
It was really dark.
We're going back through our shortcut. We had lunch at ABC Commissary. Here's my biggest tip right now, especially if you are coming in a busy time period. Mobile order your quick serve early. So if you want to eat at lunchtime, you need to mobile order beforehand, like really far. We went to order at 11 o'clock and the earliest return window was 11:55. Justin wanted something later after we got our food at 12:15, and the next order window was at 1:40. So order your food early. You don't have to be ready to eat at that point. You just order it ahead and pick a window ahead, because if not, you're gonna be like a lady that was in there screaming and crying because you couldn't eat and have food. So order ahead. Cool towel on now because yeah, it's real hot. We just had a fun experience on the Tower of Terror. You want to tell them?
I haven't practiced.
So we got on, the rest of the fam went back to the resort. We got on and the doors didn't close at first. So, well, that was fun. We just sat there. And then at the end of the ride, when you come down and then you back up and turn around, we came down and backed up a little bit, but we didn't turn around. So we were all just sitting there, and then the lights all went out. Like it was preparing for the next ride. Like no one knew we were in there. And then people started freaking out. Like at first everyone was like, haha, we're not moving. And then when the lights went out, everyone's like,
There was a crash sound effect, like the mirror breaking.
Yeah, so it sounded like, well, the next ride was happening. So it felt like that next cart was gonna come down and like smush us or back into us or something. And then they finally backed us up and took us out like it was no big deal, but it was pretty interesting. Everyone was doing fine until the lights went out and the noise happened, and it was like,
It actually was a little creepy.
someone started yelling, "This is not a joke!" And then I laughed and Brooklyn cried.
Excuse me.
Now it's hot, and so we're going back to rest. We went to the resort for a break, little nap. Now we are getting back on the Skyliner to go to Hollywood Studios. We got a few things left we have to ride. It's our first ride in Toy Story of the day. We're dying. It's hot, guys. See that lip sweat?
Let's get this rolling.
That's real. Who's gonna win?
I'm smoking it. Sorry.
I'm gonna win. Who's gonna win? What?
Trying to do work.
Here we go. FYI, I did not win.
Oh my gosh. Smoked them. Best in part. 208,400. Hey, our accuracy
Every
was the same.
time. Every time he beats me.
You're a beaver, I'm a kitty cat. According to the screen.
Bailey said, I just want to not be a beaver.
Oh no. I
We'll
think
see.
she's gonna get beaver.
We've been waiting. How long have we been waiting, Bailey?
I don't know. When did we get in here?
I think we're a little over 30 minutes.
That many minutes.
It's not bad. It's right around this corner.
Sanitizer dispenser. Thank you.
Luck to you all. You might meet it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train.
That's us.
And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and go to the back.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Younglings.
And
Get the details.
collisions.
Oh, I got a 30 score. I'm a moron.
Wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker.
Oh no.
Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions and the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to
I don't
find a
remember
stray
this.
species clinging to the house. Time for you to go, and don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
Did we crash?
Freighter that needs
Oh,
immediate
God.
transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
What was your control, Shana?
Left and right. You blame it on what? What did you say you blame it on?
Whoa. Some thunder.
We are at docking bay 7. We have mobile ordered. We are waiting for them to tell us that our order's ready. We've never been here in Galaxy's Edge. We always do Ronto roasters. And it's storming. And thundering.
That was just shit.
There's a table right there.
Hot roast looks yummy. Hot roast mac and cheese, pasta and broccoli. The lighting is so weird. Chicken and mashed potatoes.
We'll do it again there.
Ribs.
Alright, what do you think about our food today?
It was delish. I had the
Chicken.
nip. It was fried chicken and mashed potatoes and some green delicious sauce. It was yummy.
I had the sticky ribs and it was pretty tasty too.
And the pasta.
The pasta with the kale and the mushroom. This is what we deal with.
Did you like your food?
Yes. Although I got a fatty piece.
Did you like your food?
Yeah. Just spit it all out. Spat my water out.
So my best, I love my side more than I need to think.
Yeah.
The side was pasta, kale,
I know, a milk and potato.
mushroom, and had You are the grossest thing ever.
You literally said it was. I know. Milk and potato lamps.
Why? What are you doing? Cut the candies.
Cut the camis. We have 2 more rides to accomplish, and then we'll be done for the day.
Jesus and meat.
Actually,
No.
probably one.
Mickey and Minnie. Hey, no, we gotta ride Slinky Dog, hopefully.
That's gonna.
But the rain is putting a damper on our Slinky Dog chances. We have 1 hour left. Get him, get him. Why are you running, babe? You gonna get your shoes wet.
Okay.
What could possibly go wrong? Now, you little toy.
Guess what?
Bienvenidos.
We made it.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
We got, oh gosh, my watch won't, well, just trust me, we got 10 minutes before the park closes. We completed everything that we wanted to today. We are leaving this beautiful park. Yeah, and we had a 2.5 hour break. We really got to do everything on our list, except for blue milk.
Except for get sunburned. Dang it. And blue milk.
We will see you later, Hollywood Studios.
That's all.